Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Windows 10 PC guys, how to change font style. Friends, you want to change guys your font style in your Windows 10 PC, so how to change it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to change a font style in Windows 10 PC. First guys, left side click on start button. So by start button guys, we will click here. As you can see guys, start button setting guys, this your PC setting guys, click here and you can see guys your PC setting, system setting, device setting, this setting. So as you can see guys, this personalized setting, so I will click here. As you can see this background setting, color setting, lock screen setting, as you want to change, so you can change from here. As you can see guys, theme setting, so let's click on theme setting. And as you can see this font setting, so you will click on font setting. As you can see available font is here, and as you want to search any font and you want to change, so you can search and you can change. So as you can see guys, there are many types of fonts guys. Which font style guys you like guys, you can change and you can use from here guys. You can see there are many types of fonts. So as you can see there are sunlight, this theme you like styles of, as you can change this font style. So guys, font style guys you can change. So friends, you can change from here. And friends, you want to search any font style, so friends you can search. And friends, you want to change, so guys you can change direct guys after search here guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to change font style in Windows 10 PC. And shortly setting guys, if I talk about how to change, so I right click this personalized setting, click here, click on font style, and friends you can change from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to change font style in Windows 10 PC. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.